In the previous class, we have learned about WBC. It's white blood cells. Another name is leukocytes, irregular in shape, produced in bone marrow and lymph nodes. Their lifespan is for 2 weeks. They are colorless and circulates throughout the body. They are less in numbers as compared to RBCs, and the main function is to fight against diseases and germs, soldiers of the body. Now today we are going to learn about important features and different types of WBCs. Alright, so what is the WBC and where can we, what is the indication that WBCs are playing a very important role? So take an example. When a mosquito bites, you must have seen a mosquito, and as soon as it bites, there is a swelling. This swelling indicates that WBCs have reached the site. So as soon as a mosquito has bitten over there, the WBCs have reached the site from all the places where the mosquito has bitten, okay? And it has clustered. So it has gathered and it has clustered like this from everywhere and has healed the injury. You get a swelling over there and it has healed the injury. Okay, so any injury that you have, okay, whenever you have an injury, any injury that you have, and if there's a swelling, this swelling will indicate that WBCs has come to act, means has come to play a very important role. And when there's a swelling, that means that there's a healing process has taken place, and that indicates the first sign of WBCs. So whenever injury is there, you will get swelling, but not like broken also. Even broken also, there will be swelling. Broken hands, broken legs, they will be swelling. Okay, that indicates that WBCs has come to act and the healing process has started. And that indicates the first sign of WBC, whenever there is an injury and there is swelling. Now, there are different types of WBCs. It has been categorized in two parts, that is granular, non-granular. Now, what is granular? That is known as having granular cytoplasm. Granular means small grains like particles. And cytoplasm means, take an example over here. If this is the cell, this is the nucleus, the whole, so this is the, inside the cell you have cytoplasm. The main function is the cytoplasm is to hold the different organelles together. It's a jelly-like substance to hold all the organelles together. So these are cytoplasm. Okay, so having granular small particles like grain, cytoplasm. Another name, remember that, very important. So granular, okay, this is one, granular and non-granular. Granular has another name that is known as granulocytes. GRANULOCYTS, granulocytes. And granulocytes or granular are of three types: neutrophils, NEUTROPHILS, eosinophils, EOSINOPHILS, and basophils, BASOPHILS, basophils. Alright, so one type is known as granular, having granular small grains like particles, cytoplasm, having granular cytoplasm. Another name for granular will be granulocytes. They are of three types: neutrophil, eosinophils, and basophils. Next now, non-granular means having no granules. So non-granular has another name. So that another name is agranulocytes. 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 We have granulocytes, agranulocytes, and there are two types, that is lymphocytes, lymphocytes, and monocytes, monocytes. All right, class? In today's lesson, we have learned whenever there is an injury and there's a swelling, then we need to know that WBCs has come to act. All right? We have also come to know about the different types of WBCs. One is granular, non-granular. Another name for this will be granulocytes, and this will be agranulocytes. So granulocytes are of three types: neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Agranulocytes are of two types: lymphocytes and monocytes.